This is the Memo phone cooler. Today we're going to unbox this and later on we'll test how effective this Memo phone cooler is. Out of the box we have the Memo phone cooler. They've also included two Type-C cable and this is how it will look like when it is connected to the phone. The one long cable is used to connect in the adapter while the short one is used for charging your phone. So we will be testing the Memo phone cooler using the Nova 5T with its glass back and Redmi Note 8 Pro with its plastic back. And this is the list of tests that we will be doing in this video. We will be playing Call of Duty Mobile on each phone for around 20 minutes and we will check the temperature after playing. So after doing the test, it's really effective using this Memo phone cooler to cool down your phone. So if you want to buy this, I have put the link in the description box down below. Thank you guys for the 1000 subscribers and all the support you have given to this channel. And with that, we'll be having giveaways. And that is all for today's video guys. If you like this, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated of my latest video.